question number 6T is about the composite function, right? So okay, they gave you two functions. Let's write down the function fx is square root of x. Normally function is just like equation. You can say that this is a formula, up to you. So you have a blue formula and the red formula. Okay, if I say function, you are very lost, so I say you have two formula. So now the question say express in terms of f, g, there's a or there, or it can be both f and g, meaning what? Okay, meaning that the question is asking you to find the composite function. And the composite function, that means your answer that you write later, okay, your answer can have f something, right? You can have or g something, or you can have both. You can have f, g, or maybe something. All right, so both of them together, that is what the question means. So or means either one, either f something or g something. But you must know that this is a composite function. That means you sub object which is another function. So inside here it must be function, you know. It can be function f. It is not x. Composite function means that object is another function. It can be not only f, it can be g, it can be inverse, right? It can be g inverse, anything. So inside here, inside the bracket, you can have many possibility. Okay, many possibility. So you have 4 possibility, right? So here, of course, you have to write either fgx or gfx, something like that. So let's see number A. Number A, you must understand that what the question want. They give you the composite function, you know. They say you have to understand that this is a object. Okay, this is an object, and then this is the image. And for composite function, the object here, it must be a function. If let's say you use a fx, okay, this is a x, that means here x, here you will get square root x. This is called f. But now we are doing composite function. You look at your answer, is x plus 4. So that means the object will follow, isn't it? So here will be plus 4 and here will be plus 4, right? Object will follow. So that means this x plus 4 is what? Is gx. So that means the object is gx. And your question is giving you what? The question is giving you something which is composite function, which is this one, which is actually composite function, but they don't want to tell you what is this. They ask you what is this? What is this composite function? So it's of course will be f gx. Remember, for function we always function sub the object, right? So you cannot say gf, you must say fg. All right, so what the question want you to find out is what is the composite function. So if you have the composite function for the final answer fg, that is your answer. So the answer is fgx will bring the answer x plus 4. Okay, that is so-called composite function. So you can just write your answer as in terms of fg. Fg will be the answer. That is so-called in terms, right? Okay, so in terms of fg, both together. So we have solved the first question already. So if you really want to understand, you look at the pattern here. Of course you will use a f, right? So you draw out like this. Okay, this is your f. So you say if this is x, then here will be square root x. But the one given is a composite function. So this is, let me change the color. This is x plus 4. So here the object will be plus 4. So that means this is your gx. So the f will bring the gx, right? Not x. So the answer is fg. Okay, I have settled one question. Now I want to discuss B. So the A, the answer is FG, right? You understand? Your answer is just right. FG will do. Okay, it's F and G. We have followed the instruction of the question. Now, how about this one? Okay, if I look at this one, I always do like that. I want to find the composite function. We are doing reverse way. So you do like that. So this is an object. This is an image. So you can always use a concept like this. This is x squared plus 4, right? So if you look at the function given, you have the fx, which is square root of x. You can't see the square, right? And then you have an x plus 4. Of course, you know that you will use a g. If I am having g x, I will have, if here is x, I will have x plus 4. So if I have x squared, here I should write x squared, right? My object will be x squared. And this x squared is what function is that? It cannot be fx, because fx is square root of x. So we want to know what is x squared representing by the function. So you try to find the inverse. You let y equal to square root x, right? You let fx equal to y, and then we want to find x. If you can find the x, that is your inverse. So you have to squaring both sides, you know. So you have to square it. Why you need to square it? Because you want to get the x. So x is equal to y squared. Once you got the x, means you got the inverse function for the f is equal to x squared. All right. So if you try to understand, you square root. Reverse way is you square, right? So it's inverse. Okay, so that means you should know that just now here, x squared is what function? X squared is inverse of f, right? It is inverse of f. So that means the function g should bring the inverse, the object is function, this object, to the x squared plus 4. Got it? So your answer you should write is g bring the inverse function f, whereby your inverse function f is the object. Or you can just write gf negative 1 accepted. Alright? Because they want you to express in terms of g with something. Alright? Okay, I have explained the B. Now for C, if you look at that, it's quite simple, right? C is a bit simple. You can see from there. You see, for C, if I have the x here, okay, I have the g here, the x, it will go to x plus 4. But I look at that is plus 8. So how am I going to do so that I will get plus 8? Of course, I will try to plus 4 here. So here plus 4. So that means this is your object. No more x. And this one should be your function. You go to the question, oh, what is this function? It's gx itself. Gx. That means the function g will bring the object gx to the x plus 8. Got it? So this is gx, and then the function g will bring the uh, g, you always write like this, gx, right? Okay. Okay, so this is actually is x plus 4, and then this is plus 4 again, you know, because gx is x plus 4. Okay, so you will get x plus 8, meaning that your object is here. The g will bring this object to the gx is x plus 4, so x plus 4 and then plus 4 again. So this one is actually, this is a gx, and this thing is gx. We don't read as square, in fact we just read as g2. You can write g2, no problem. Okay, you can write g2x equal to x plus 8, or answer g2, or you can write gx, will do. Okay, so that is how you solve the question that you need to do reverse way. That means your concept of the function must be very good. Okay, let's check the answer. So you have the fg, right? Just now we get the answer fg, right? So this is the answer, and then we have the, yeah, we have the f. Okay, so x plus 4 gx, yeah, gx is square root of x, correct. Then this one, we knew that inverse of the x is x, inverse of the f is x squared, so we will get x squared, so gf negative 1. And this one is g2, right? So your answer is just g2. All right, so keep on doing. I'm sure you can do well if you keep on doing and keep on asking to clear your confusion. So that's all my sharing for today. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.